Most Chinese think there'll be a war with Japan. Could there really be such a war? I better take a course in Chinese politics.
Wow, I thought China's reforms just begun. It's already the top trading partner with 140 countries. I really need to know why China's growing so quickly if I want to get a good job these days.
I'm David Zweig, Chair Professor in the Division of Social Science and Director of the Center on China's Transnational Relations at HKUST. If you want a great job in government, media, business, environment, energy, or with the international organizations such as the UN, you need to know more about China, how it works, and its relations with the world.
My courses on Chinese politics will provide you with all this information. Part 1 presents a framework for understanding China that focuses on China's leaders, its political structure, its political economy, how citizens interact with the state, and China's future. Part 2 looks at the impact of the world on China and China's impact on the world. But today, China's rise is affecting the world far more than the world is affecting China. If these topics get you thinking and you want to know more, you've come to the right spot. I have had unique experiences. I studied in China at the end of the Cultural Revolution, so I know what China was like when it was isolated from the world. I was even on the Peking University basketball team in 1975. At that time, I observed how Maoist leaders mobilized students, including my roommate, to use Chinese big character posters to attack Deng Xiaoping and his reform program. Yet at the same time, I saw for myself how 500,000 Beijing citizens rallied in Tiananmen Square to defend Deng's reforms. And again, I was in Tiananmen Square at 2:30 a.m. on June 4th, 1989, when the Chinese army cleared the students out. As bullets whizzed high above my head, I fled. Recently, I advised a top leader in the Communist Party about the problems his policy to bring back Chinese academics from abroad was facing. So let me use frameworks drawn from my educational, practical, and teaching experience to increase your ability to analyze what is going on in China and to prepare you for a world in which China will play a larger and larger role. Come join me in these courses.